Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen essential that every home baker should consider, the Cuisinart SM-50R Precision Master Stand Mixer. We found this product online and have added the link in the description, so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what makes the Cuisinart SM-50R stand out in the crowded market of stand mixers. This mixer boasts a powerful 500W motor that ensures you have the strength needed for both light and heavy mixing tasks. Whether you're whipping up a batch of delicate meringue or kneading dense bread dough, this mixer has got you covered. One of the most impressive features of the SM-50R is its 59-point planetary mixing action. This innovative mixing technique means that the mixing head rotates on its own axis while also spinning around the bowl. This ensures that every ingredient is mixed thoroughly, with no clumps left behind. It's a game changer for anyone who values consistency in their baking. Next up is the 5.5 quart polished stainless steel bowl. This spacious bowl not only looks great but also has the capacity to handle large batches of dough, batter, or any other mixture you might need. It's perfect for everything from baking bread for the whole family to whipping up a huge batch of cookies for a party. And let's not forget the tilt head design, which allows for easy access to the bowl and makes adding ingredients a breeze. The Cuisinart SM-50R features an impressive 12 speed settings, providing you with precise control over your mixing. From slow stirring to high-speed whipping, you can adjust the speed to suit the task at hand. This versatility is particularly useful when you need to achieve different textures or consistencies in your mixtures. Included with the mixer are several essential attachments: a chef's whisk for aerating mixtures, a dough hook for kneading, and a flat mixing paddle for general mixing. These tools are specifically designed to optimize the mixer's performance and help you achieve the best results. Additionally, the splash guard with a pour spout helps to keep your kitchen clean while adding ingredients, reducing the mess that often comes with baking. So, who is the Cuisinart SM-50R suitable for? This stand mixer is perfect for both novice bakers and seasoned professionals alike. If you're someone who enjoys baking as a hobby or if you're looking to elevate your culinary skills, this mixer can help you achieve your goals. It's also a great addition for busy families who need to prepare meals quickly and efficiently. Practical use cases for this mixer extend far beyond just baking. Think about making homemade pasta, whipping cream for desserts, or even mixing up a batch of pizza dough for family pizza night. With its robust motor and versatile attachments, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the Cuisinart SM-50R Precision Master Stand Mixer is an excellent investment for anyone serious about their baking and cooking. With its powerful motor, large capacity, and thoughtful features, it simplifies the mixing process and allows you to focus on creating delicious dishes. Thanks for watching. If this video